So I'm gonna do something today, finally, and that is head towards Savannah, Georgia. I've got a route set up to stop at a place called Perry, Georgia on my way there for a day. I don't know, I just did it because there's a place to shower there with my gym membership. So let's get started. I'm about to go to the gym. My stomach's feeling a little funky, so I got that. And yeah, gotta get to the gym, get a shower. Well, get a workout, then get a shower and start driving. And now I have 3 hours to go east to Georgia. So, staying in Perry, Georgia tonight. Don't know where yet. I've seen a couple hotels. Probably stay at one of those in the parking lot, of course. And then tomorrow I will be on my way to Savannah. So let's get started. I've been waiting for this all day. God. Well, I stayed in a Holiday Inn Express parking lot last night, next to the interstate. That was a mistake. Don't do that. I didn't sleep bad. Just kept waking up from all the noise, but you know, it's whatever. I had a realization last night, but I'll talk about that in just a second. So. You know what, instead of making this video about money, I'm just gonna have a good time. If you're seeing this and you're confused, it's because I was trying to do this on a budget, but I don't care anymore, so I'm just gonna go have a good time. I'm about to go eat breakfast at some spot I just found near the gym. I just got out of the gym, so I'm starving right now. And yeah, let's just go do that. I'm tired of calculating pennies. So I had a revelation last night as I was getting ready for bed and writing in my journal, and that is that I associate like traveling and just vacationing with like going to do something when I don't really want to do much of anything as it is. Like I'm really just enjoying the drive and getting to the place and just looking at things and taking in the people and taking in the scenery and all these kind of things. But for whatever reason, like I was sitting at Walmart last night after I got some water, and I just wanted to go drink for some reason. Like I just wanted to go to a bar because I felt like I had to. I guess I didn't really want to per se, because if I really wanted to, I'd go do it. I don't know, it's just a strange thing to like go a different place and then feel like you have to do something. I don't have to do anything of significance there. You know, it was just a layover basically. Am I enjoying what I'm doing, you know, as it is? I don't think everything has to be this big grand thing where you have to have a story for every single thing, because a lot of life is mundane and it's just, it is what it is. Just a thought. really know what my destination was to coming here or why I came here, but I'm just gonna call it that because that was really nice. Just kind of sat around on the beach for about an hour and walked around. You know, didn't do anything in particular. It was nice. So whenever you sleep in your car, you build up a lot of condensation, right? So, but trying to figure out what to do with the time it takes for the condensation to either disappear or just for it to, you know, thin out so I can wipe it off. And I finally figured it out, and I've been doing it for the last few days, and that's just meditation. Meditation has been a part of my life for like at least 6 years, maybe longer, maybe 7 or 8 years. Whenever I moved in my vehicle, it kind of stopped being a part of my life. So I've been doing it the first thing in the morning while I wait for my windows to defrost, because I'm also facing the sun, so I'm also getting some sunlight on me. And it only takes 10 minutes. I'm just going to get that done real quick, and then I usually write my journal right after, and I'll get going. Today I've got to go to a Starbucks to finish this video. I recorded the recorded the voiceover last night on my phone, and now I've got to go clean that up and put it in the video and upload it. So I'm going to meditate and go do that, and then go to the gym, hopefully, to get a shower, because I feel gross.
And become aware of how you're feeling in this moment. Well, once again, thank you for your practice.
Well, that was going to be the end of the trip, but I've made the executive decision to drive to Tallahassee for the night, maybe stay there, I don't know, and then go visit my buddy at the beach in Alabama. So I have a 5-hour drive to a Planet Fitness. That's my goal right now. I just want to get to a Planet Fitness so I can take a shower. I just don't want to take one here for some reason. I'm just ready to go. I've been sitting at Starbucks for like an hour and a half. I'm just so tired of looking at a computer. Just want to start driving. So I'm gonna do that, and I'll see you in a few minutes.
I mean, I remember one night Judah Friedlander was doing it.
You know, 20-year-old me would have been out there.
I've had this problem where when I've been traveling, I look up and I just ask myself, like, where the f am I? And it turns out that I'm in some place called Baxley, Georgia. There's nothing wrong with it, I guess. It's very busy right now. It is noon. Just wouldn't expect such a small-looking town. I could be wrong, too. Looking at the map, there's a huge grid of, like, roads and whatnot, but everything looks old, yet occupied. Alright, so change of plans. I just got out of the gym, talked to my buddy. He's actually not too far away. He's only a couple hours away. So I'm going to go straight about 2 hours and go have dinner with him and probably sleep in the hotel parking lot that he's in. And then I'm going to go down towards the beach in Alabama and hang out with my other friends. So, I don't know. That's nice. I like being able to change plans just like that. So, yeah. See you all in a couple hours. I'm very puffy and swollen because I ate like absolute shit yesterday. So today the main goal is to not eat like shit. Just had free breakfast at the Hampton Inn that I stayed at. Thank you, Hampton Inn, for your parking lot and your free breakfast. I'm gonna go to Walmart and get meat to put in my cooler. Then we're gonna go cook it, and it'll keep me from f***ing up today. So I feel like shit today, and it's because I wasn't prepared for anything. So I'm about to do that right now. I'm headed down to the beach today. It is absolutely cold right now. Hoping it's a little warmer down there, but if it's not, whatever.
It's not making
right. So I want.
It's
musket at your show.